Hey folks, let's dive into learning these practical tricks. To display icons based on the entered numbers, first select the range of numbers. Then, use conditional formatting and choose your desired icon set. It's that simple. Do you see how easy and straightforward it is? Now, to change values and numbers, click on Manage Rules. And double-click on the icon set. Here, you can easily modify both numbers and icons. You can also change one of the icons. Let me reiterate this information for the adjacent cell to demonstrate another type of icons and an important feature. Following the same path, this time I'll select stars from the ratings section. Now, in the Manage Rules section, click on Edit, and by checking the Show Icon Only option, you can hide the numbers and display only the stars. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.